Welcome back to go-toolz, and today we're looking at the new Bluetooth speaker from Klein. It's a wearable Bluetooth speaker, and its model number is AEPWS1 if you want to get it after the review. So we're going to test the sound quality in regards to how it plays music, how voice sounds over it. I believe you could actually record using the device. It has the capability to be used as a mic, and we're also going to test how it sounds on phone calls. So let's open up and take a closer look. All right, so we are opening up right now using the Klein scraper and utility knife in one, and the package is relatively easy to open. So yeah, what you get in it is the instructions for the device and also USB type A with a standard USB at the end. Alright, so the package, you can see how it looks. It has a spring-loaded belt clip with magnets on the inside and on the outside of the clip. It's made of ABS, PC, and TPE plastic. It's IP67 rated. It weighs about roughly 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. And it feels really good in hand. The Bluetooth is 5.3 Bluetooth fuel test as well. So as you can see, when I open the flap, you can actually see there's a little rubber gasket that prevents moisture from entering into the device. It's very small. It lasts about 12 hours, and it takes approximately 2 hours to charge. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's listen to see how it sounds. All right, so we're going to test the audio and see how well it sounds. Now, the website says that the decibel level is about 82 decibels, which is very loud. Now, for comparison, 82 decibels is roughly the sound of heavy traffic or, let's say, a noisy restaurant. So it's a very packed restaurant. That's basically the reference I could give you. But I'm going to actually play it, and then I'm going to use the microphone so that you can hear what's going on. So it's on, so I'm just going to pair it. And
power on.
Right.
Battery high.
So it's flashing
connected.
Blue. Right. Once it's connected, it's flashing green because it shows that it's connected. So we're going to go onto YouTube. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to play one of my videos just to avoid being copyrighted. So this is it here at max.
And then even more tools on the Hercules line coming this year. So we're not supposed to pick a favorite tool, but I love a grinder, and this flathead grinder now comes with variable speed.
So we're gonna play some music now. I just want to add, this song has a good range of treble, bass, so we're gonna hear a little bit of everything with a little bit of vocals in the background. Now, what I could say is that it's not very good on bass. On treble, it sounds good. I don't know if you could do some internal adjustments, but it's not the best sounding Bluetooth speaker. And obviously, I don't think Klein was going for that. I think they just wanted to make a good, solid Bluetooth speaker. It is very loud. Those references are very accurate. Heavy traffic, noisy restaurant, garbage disposal is very loud. The music is loud and it sounds good. And I think that decibel level is considered to be appropriate threshold without exposing you to hearing damage. So usually this could be clipped around your neck, so obviously you don't want anything too loud, but it's loud enough. It's very loud. And what I like about that is it's not something that is going to distract you, and it also allows you to hear. It's not in your ears, and that's the reason why I like clippable Bluetooth speakers. You can actually receive calls, you can make calls, and that's what I like about it. Now, I also mentioned, I think, and I'll put a clip in, that I actually recorded my voice using the device. So I use it as a microphone. And you'll be the judge of how it sounds. So what you're hearing now is me speaking through the Klein wearable Bluetooth speaker. And that's really impressive in the sense that if you have to record something, you don't have to disconnect this, because the microphone actually records or picks up the audio, and you could use it for recording purposes. So now this will come in handy if you have to record something that you're doing to show your client. You could actually use this speaker to do your recording, which is good. I think that's a really good feature. I don't know if they intended to be that way, but obviously with that mic, it should automatically be able to record. So but if you want to, it could.
It has to be for $12. Because the statement is only generated every 3 months. That's why you're not getting January as yet.
So you will tell me how it sounds. The magnet works excellent. It's stuck to my refrigerator, electrical panel. It's stuck to the grill of my Milwaukee Packout radio. I would say the magnet in this is stronger than the magnet on the DeWalt. The only thing I wish that they give us something like this so that you could put it on your garment without having to clip it. So you'd have just put this against your clothing and then this back, and then you would have clipped it. I could probably give you an example of that. So let me show you how that would have worked. So I'll put the device here and then the magnet. As you can see, it's stuck to the clothing using the magnet. And I think they should have included that. That would have been really nice for them to include something like that. So yeah, that's the only gripe I have with this. Oh yeah, and I also wish that this should have been metal. I don't like the fact that this is not metal. It seems if it falls somewhere, it's going to crack because the plastic seems very fragile. So that's the only gripe I have with this. The materials, I don't really care much about the sound because it's not your conventional job site speakers. A Bluetooth speaker, you're hiking, you're on the job. You just want something to listen to music while you work that you could walk around with. Because usually if you have a big radio and you walk to pick up materials, you walk to get something, you have to leave the radio behind. Particularly my Milwaukee Packout radio is very big. I'm not going to walk around with that. That's going to remain stationary. But if you have a Bluetooth speaker that lasts about 8 to 12 hours on your person, you can receive phone calls. I think the pros outweigh the cons. The DeWalt Bluetooth speaker, wearable Bluetooth speaker, does sound better. However, it has a lot of issues. This button, it broke. The lettering faded away. And I think that's it. I think other than that, it sounds good. The grill seems a little more secure, a little more tough than the Klein. I would recommend it. I love it. I've been using it for a while now, and it sounds really good. I went to the grocery with it. Obviously, you don't want to be using this thing playing. But it wasn't loud. It was just quiet enough that I could hear it. But it's a good speaker. I would highly recommend it. So, yeah, that's my review of the wearable Bluetooth speaker from Klein. Now, Klein makes good speakers. I love Klein speakers. I think they make some of the best speakers. I will even go as far as to say they make better speakers than Milwaukee. This speaker, I've had this for a while, and this speaker has gotten a beating, and this speaker sounds excellent. Now, obviously, they couldn't use this technology in this, but I just wish it could have improved the bass a little bit. Other than that, it's a good speaker. So, yeah, so again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you thought it was helpful, it was informative, please like, subscribe, put on the notification bell, share the video, and that helps us here at Go-To Reviews. This video was not sponsored. We saw this on the website. I think it was Klein's website, and I went to Amazon and I saw it there on the new tools from Klein. And I like wearable speakers. I think it's one of the best or most useful tools you can have because it's always good to have something on your person. You can take calls, you walk around, and you get to listen to music, which kind of helps to pass the day depending on how each other's going. So, yeah, that's my review. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. And take care.